So people, the U20, it's U20 time now. U20 football, under 20 football. I know that go already. A lot of problems, a lot of cussing, a lot of heartache again. But anyways. Again. But anyways, the first training camp is set to start, set to kick off, and a squad has been called for that training camp, and I'm gonna give you the list this morning. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Laptop still down, everything not so right now, but still have a kick on with the show. Alright, so these are the names. So as I say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and also turn on your notification bell. It's important to do so. Alright, first thing, well, John Stedman, Stets. DeMarcus Smith. We do have a lot of absentees as well, and we'll get into that. DeMarcus Smith, Mount Pleasant. Adrian Flint, Mount Pleasant. Tyreek Robinson, Harborview FC. Dante Logan, Ligani United FC. Joshua King, Real Mona. Dujan Thompson, Ligani United. Carlisle Tinglin, Mobile United. Giovanni Taylor, Arnett Garden. Santana Edley, Portmore United. Tashawn Henry, Portmore United. Justin Ailes, Clarendon College. Jabbar Howell, Mount Pleasant. DeAndre Wright, Barnett Stets. Dante Hewitt Stets. Javar Lawrence Stets. Howard Robinson, Phoenix Chapelton Maroon. Demario Daly, Waterhouse FC. Jamoy Dennis, Cavalier FC. Jamari Garden, Cavalier FC. Deshaun Talbert, Cavalier FC. O'Dane Wilberforce, Cavalier FC. Sean Layton, Phoenix Chapelton Maroon. Jade Lynch, Stets. Kevin Hall, Harborview FC. Jaquan Stewart, Harborview FC. Sheldon Pusey, Harborview FC. Rajay Zimenez, Harborview FC. Twain Merrick, Dumbarton FC. Nicole Forbes, Dumbarton FC. Earl Dennis, Mount Pleasant. Owen Jump, Mount Pleasant. Clever Nugent, Mount Pleasant. Jaheim Douglas, Mount Pleasant. And Kevin Harton, Mobile United. So there is quite a lot of names. Squad is big, but definitely it's just the first squad being called, and we will see more squads being called. We have players who actually not even in consideration as yet until when time them start narrow down to the final aspect, like players like Seymour Reid, who these players are actually playing at a professional level. So when you reach down to the zero down time, that is when you might see these players coming in. But they're all noticeable absentees. Kaden Young, the number 10 from Ocho Rios, number 10 from, is it I'm not Tishas Golin. Is it Tishas Golin? Is it Tishas Golin? I'm gonna have to remember. No, it's not Tishas, It's not Tishas. But it's a school from down Ocho side. Number 10. It's called the choose school of football done so long, I can't remember my name. But I have to remember that the year also is a factor. They said 2007 upwards, 2007, 2008, 2009. So that's the year what I look for. But definitely players like Dustin Cohen, Orion Watson, these players have been part of the setup for a time period. So definitely I do believe that you'll look to see those players coming in at a later date in regards to like when they camp them start narrow down the squad in certain aspect. But it's quite interesting. Tell us what you think about the squad. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Outside. Now I mean.